have a workshop here today with agency owners and managers from all across the country to come and spend the day with several of our team members to learn how they can better coach and develop their team to take them to the next level.
Biggest benefit was that it was hands-on.
This is a more intimate group where, really you can dig deep into your own business and you really can get a lot out of it.
Just being able to bounce off ideas and problems that I have is just fantastic. There's no price for it.
When we share, we're all going to be more successful, which is going to help our clients in the long run.
You're going to learn how we run our agency on a day-to-day basis.
CWC was all about getting people up to speed and learning, sharing information to keep them from making the same mistakes. Getting out there in the community, whether it's owners or staff, and helping them become better at what they do.